So today we are drawing a cute kawaii cupcake. We will start drawing its cup first. Then we are going to draw yummy cream as a topper of the cupcake.
Delicious.
Now let's decorate the cupcake with a heart. Let's give it sparkly eyes and a smiley happy face. And don't forget to sprinkle the sprinkles on top. Black coloring in eyes. Our cute cupcake is ready. Let's color it to make it more attractive. I am coloring pink in the cup. Red in mouth and the heart. Blue outline on the cream. Thank you my YouTube family for subscribing my channel. Isn't it cute? Tell me in the comment what do you think. Yellow, green, blue, red and pink in sprinkles. If you like my drawing, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and leave a comment too. Leaving you with a smile until next time.